Hey, what's up people? Today's video is about common phrases in English. English is fun, phrases is super fun, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy it. If you're interested, let's get started. A piece of cake. Well, this is commonly used if an activity or a task that is simple to do, requiring little effort, so you can use for that. A piece of cake. Driving me nuts. If someone says you are driving me nuts, it means they are very annoyed. It's like you are making them angry. So for that you can say you are driving me nuts. Next one, let the cat out of the bag. Well, this phrase is used to refer to accidentally reveal a secret, like I let the cat out of the bag about the wedding plan. So a secret that's supposed to be kept secret, but by mistake you let it go. So for that you can use the phrase let the cat out of the bag. The next one, to cut corners. Well, this is used to do something badly or cheaply. This particular phrase is used to describe in some activity or some work that was done in a way that it's very bad or cheap. You can use this particular phrase for that. They really cut corners when they build this bathroom. The shower is leaking. The next one, a blessing in disguise. So you might have heard this many times. People often use this. If a misfortune that eventually results in something good happening later on. So for that we use this phrase, a blessing in disguise. So to put it in an easier way, like a particular bad thing was happened to you, but later on you got benefited from that particular bad incident. So probably you can use a blessing in disguise phrase for that. Raining cats and dogs. You don't see cats and dogs falling from the sky, but it's a common phrase that refers to heavy rainfall. So when it's raining heavily, we use the phrase raining cats and dogs. The next one, speak of the devil. What does it mean? Well, this means that the person you are just talking about actually appears at that moment. So imagine that you and your friend are talking about another person, and all of a sudden that person appears in front of you. So for that you can say speak of the devil. The next phrase, an elephant never forgets. Often this phrase is used to refer to a person who has got good memory. Sitting ducks. Well, someone or something that is in a vulnerable position, like being in danger. Look at the duck. You can see in the picture the duck sits there, and even if somebody wants to catch it, they can catch quite easily. Like your position is pretty bad, you are in a vulnerable position or you're in danger. So for that you can use the phrase sitting ducks. Next one, once in a blue moon. Well, this phrase is commonly used to describe an event that happens infrequently, like very rarely it happens, not often that you see it. So I hope you liked the video. I look forward to see you in the next video, and if you like our content, please do share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.